Welcome to the Random Car channel. We're going to be changing the blower motor of the HVAC system for the 2011 Toyota Sienna. So the blower motor in my van has been squealing on occasions. So I think it is the bearing of the fan that is going bad. Okay, so this is a pretty simple process. Let's go ahead. First step is to remove the original blower motor. Okay, so to locate the blower motor, it is just right underneath the glove box and you cannot miss it. It looks sort of like this blower, at least on my car. The back housing is a white one, so that's, this is definitely an aftermarket here compared to the original, which we will pull out. So if you go under the glove box, this big white one is your blower motor here. So first step, I'm going to disconnect the harness. Okay, so disconnected the harness. Just basically squeeze this tab and pull it out. And the next step is just removing the bolts. So you can see there's one. There's a screw with a Phillips screw with an 8mm head. So there's one bolt here. One bolt there. Right here is another bolt. And the third one right here. So let's remove those bolts. Here's the old one and the new one side by side. As you can see, the original one is made by Denso, made in Japan. I got a aftermarket, cheaper one, VDO, made in China. Definitely two things that are built very differently from each other. We'll see how long this new one lasts. So this one's lasted me about 100,000 miles. We'll see how long the new one lasts. Okay, so I put in a new motor. Let's see how it goes. This is the cheap one, $80 motor, the VDO motor. We're going to turn it on. So I could hear a motor sound. It's kind of annoying. It's like this higher pitch motor sound. Let's turn it all the way to max. That doesn't sound right. So I think I'm going to probably return this motor and get something else. Well, anyway, so in this case, I showed you how to change it. Luckily, it's easy to change. So if you don't like how the sort of cheap motor works, just return it and spring for the more expensive Denso motor. Okay, all right. I ended up going with the original Denso HVAC blower motor. So I did some research. So the VDO version makes a lot of noise. Well, it's not a lot, but it's enough noise to be annoying. There's another one on Amazon that was like $30 or $40. That was way cheap. but the reviews said that motor just dies in about 2 or 3 months, and that's not worth $30 or $40 every 2 or 3 months. So I ended up going Denso again. We know at least they'll probably last about 100,000 miles. You know, it's not awesome, but it's quiet and it works. Okay, the new motor's in. Works just like the original, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, leave any questions in the comments section, and good luck on your next project.